Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to search in Salesforce Lightning Experience. Whether you're tracking down a specific account, hunting for a contact, or trying to locate that one opportunity you updated last week, mastering Salesforce's search functionality will save you tons of time and make navigating the platform much more efficient. Let's walk through both the global search and list view search methods. First up, let's tackle the global search feature. This is your quickest way to find anything across your entire Salesforce org. Look toward the top of any page in Salesforce Lightning Experience, and you'll spot the search box sitting prominently in the header. It's always there, no matter which page you're on, making it incredibly convenient for quick searches. Click inside that search box to activate it, then type in your search term. This could be a record name, a keyword, or even part of a phrase that might help narrow things down. Once you've entered what you're looking for, press Enter on your keyboard or click the magnifying glass icon that appears next to the search box. What happens next is quite helpful. Salesforce will display your results starting with top results, which shows you the most relevant matches based on what you typed. This saves you from digging through endless lists when the record you need is right there at the top. If you don't immediately see what you're after in the top results section, scroll down to the search results area where you'll find records organized by object type like accounts, contacts, opportunities, and so on. Click on any of these object names to filter your results specifically to that category. This is especially useful when you know exactly what type of record you're searching for. Once you find the record you need, simply click on the preview to open up the full record and access all its details. Now let's look at List View Search, which is perfect when you're already working within a specific object. Navigate to any object tab, for example. If you're looking for an account, click on the Accounts tab and select the list view like All Accounts. You'll notice there's a search box positioned at the top right of the list view itself. This search is scoped specifically to the records in that particular list, making it faster and more focused than the global search. Click inside that search box, type your search term, and press Enter. Your results will instantly filter down to only those records matching your search within that list view. And there you have it, two powerful ways to search in Salesforce Lightning Experience that will help you find exactly what you need quickly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.